Hey guys, some major news today, right? So again, what's new? Currently, right now, is live in the markets. We have very simply, we possibly have Iran launching missiles on Israel, right, for the killing of Hezbollah, right? So again, the war continues. Lebanon, Russia getting involved. It seems like it's World War Three, and because of that, the markets in general are all down. If you guys can see, the Dow Jones, S&P, Russell, everything, right, is down, and obviously Bitcoin took a plunge as well, right? We did take a plunge, right? Again, everything was going great, uptrend, right? Right now, we've seen a bit of a down, right? Not a crazy down, but a 3% drop with a slight recovery right now that is actually appearing, right? That it's pretty cool, right? So anyways, so that's that. So that's BTC USD, right? That's basically dropped. Do I feel it's a opportunity? I don't see why not, right? If we actually go into a longer time frame, right? If you go into a longer time frame, right? So again, holding up pretty well, right? Again, entry prices being touched exactly at the 200 EMA and actually bounce, right? So still pretty good. Overall still pretty much in the sideways zone, but hey. Right now we're back at an entry level that is actually good, right? So if you're asking me, like, look, if you haven't really entered positions, would it be a good time to enter positions? The answer is yes. Is it a time to fear and panic and sell everything? The answer is obviously no, right? Some of the things I've been loading this morning, just to share with you guys, right? Again, I think it's great, right? Solana, after a big, huge run up to about 160 plus, right? It's taken a drop down to about 145, right? Again, on a daily chart, it's looking, it's literally hit that EMA 200 level, right? It's exactly right there. So again, this is pretty much where I'm at, right? With regards to my entries, right? So I'm entering currently right now, right? Just keeping a lookout, not, entering in full. Let's see how this entire situation plays out. I think this entire war narrative and whatever is happening with the war and stuff has happened many times throughout this entire year already. The markets, fall on some news, and then slowly people forget about it, and then markets just quickly recover. And that's pretty much what I see. Right, holding very nicely at the 200 EMAs, as you guys can see, for Solana as well. Right, so that's something that I'm loading up on. What about some of the memes we're looking at? Right, so if I look at, let's say, for example, Floki, right, are there good opportunities? Right now, after this huge plunge, right, there's a bit of a recovery that is actually happening currently right now. If you actually see, if I go on to a 1 hour time frame, right, it's nicely recovering as of right now, right, as we actually speak, right? So pretty cool recovery, right? So do I think there's good opportunity today? The answer is I believe so, right? Popcat already bouncing, right? Really quick to bounce, man. It's insane, right? So yeah, Popcat's already bouncing on the 1 hour, right? 4 hours already bouncing, right? So again, good opportunity to accumulate. Again, good opportunity. I don't think anything to fear. If there is, I will update you guys. But as of now, from what I see, everything is bouncing very nicely off the EMA 200, man. So let's go.